In this video, we will introduce the FM function of the FX7. Turn on FM, turn off FM. Press the on-off button twice to turn on the FM. Press the on-off button twice again to turn off the FM. Increase FM volume, decrease FM volume. Rotate the knob clockwise and hold for 1 second to increase FM volume. Rotate the knob counterclockwise and hold for 1 second to decrease FM volume. Previous channel, next channel. Rotate the knob clockwise once to switch to the next FM channel. Rotate the knob counterclockwise once to switch to the previous FM channel. Save FM channel. Press the on/off button once to save the FM channel. Open/close saved FM channel. Press the function button 3 times to open the saved FM channel. Press the function button 3 times again to close the saved FM channel. That's the complete tutorial of the FX7 FM function. Thank you for watching.